Hey guys, it's your girl Shelby from Shelby Fun Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my chicken quesadilla and steak quesadilla, okay? It's going to be so much fun in the kitchen, guys. We're gonna enjoy this video. Let me show you what I have for you, okay? As you can see here, I have my chicken already cooked, okay? And here I have my steak. What I did, guys, I seasoned my my meat with cumin and onion powder, garlic powder, and some pepper flakes and red chili powder and paprika, and a little bit of olive oil and salt, okay, for my seasoning for chicken and steak, okay. And here I have my cheese, okay, and my green bell pepper and tomatoes, cilantro, red onions, and I already made my salsa sauce. I have jalapeno, green bell pepper, tomatoes, and red onion, and a little bit of salt, olive oil, and that's it. It's very tasty, guys. Okay, and I have my flour tortilla, okay, and also I have my sour cream, okay. Let's start cooking it, guys. What I'm going to do first, I'm going to cook my onions, all my vegetables, okay. I'm adding some olive oil, okay, not too much, okay. Now let's start adding everything. Okay. Okay, a little bit of salt, 1 teaspoon, and I'm adding some garlic powder, onion powder, okay, and some black pepper, guys. Okay, give it a stir. Okay, that's it, guys. So I'm going to finish that up, guys, and then when we come back, we'll finish up everything, okay? Come back. Okay, guys, now my vegetables are done, okay? So now let's start cooking our tortilla, okay? What I'm going to do first, I'm going to add my meat. This is the steak I'm going to do. But I'm going to do both of them at the same time, guys. Okay, I'm adding my steak. And then now I'm adding my chicken. Okay. On one side, put a little bit my chicken steak. Okay, now I'm adding my vegetables. Okay, cheese. Not too much, guys, because I mean it's up to you. If you want to add a lot of cheese, that's fine. My family doesn't like, too much cheese. Okay, fold it up. And my pot, guys, already warming up. And then what I did, I added some butter, light butter. Okay, put it in the pot. Okay, and do the same thing here. My vegetables. Okay, cheese. Okay, not too much cheese, a little bit of cheese. Okay, fold it up. Okay, voila, guys. Very easy. Okay. All right, guys. I'm going to continue with that, and then when we come back, I'll show you guys everything. Okay, come back. Okay, guys. Now let's check on our tortilla. I'm flipping them over. I have to be careful. Oh, look at that. Looks very nice. Okay, this one. Very nice color, guys. Very nice. Okay. Going to give that like 5 more seconds, and then when we come back, we'll finish up. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, let me show you guys how everything looking so far. You see? Okay. So I'm going to get the rest out. You see that? Okay. Okay, let me put those in. Okay, guys. When we come back, we'll finish up. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, everything's ready. Now let me show you what I have for you. Okay, my plate already fixed. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some chives, my cream cheese. Okay. That's it. You see that, guys? Okay. My chicken steak quesadillas. Okay. Very easy and fast. Okay. If you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Make sure you share with your family and friends. Okay. And give it a try. Okay. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for being with me. Enjoy. Bye.